Do you know many people are having trouble with disabling traffic control alerts on their BMW iDrive system? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Access menu. Press the menu button on the iDrive controller to open the main menu. Step 2. Select Settings. Turn the controller to Highlight Settings and press the controller to select it. Step 3. Open Traffic Info. Scroll to Traffic Info and select it by pressing the controller. Step 4. Open Options. Press the Options button to open the Options menu. Step 5. Deactivate Info. Find and select Receive Traffic Info, then uncheck or deactivate this option by pressing the controller. Now you should have successfully disabled the traffic control alerts on your BMW's iDrive system. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other BMW users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.